Inherited hemolytic anemia means that parents pass the gene for hemolytic anemias onto their children. RBCs consist of hemoglobin, the metabolic machinery, and the membrane-cytoskeleton complex. Hereditary hemolytic anemia is due to defects in these components. Such defects lead to hemoglobinopathies, disorders of cation transport, enzymopathies, or membrane-cytoskeleton defects. Patient usually present with jaundice, pallor, splenomegaly, and bossing of skull. Laboratory tests usually exhibit reduced hemoglobin level, elevated MCV, MCH, increased reticulocytes, elevated bilirubin and LDH level. Exactly the features you observed in Hannah, the patient of our case study. Generally, patient is treated with blood transfusion, medicines, plasmapheresis, splenectomy, or stem cell transplant. Do you want to learn inherited hemolytic anemias in detail? Yes. Subscribe sqadia.com to watch complete lecture.